Hello and welcome to Quick Maths with Mr. Jonsen. In this video, we will continue to do the specimen paper 2, which is a non-calculator paper for the examinations from 2025. So we will start from question number 21. In this question, all measurements are in centimeters. The height of a triangle is h and the height of a rectangle is h plus 2. The length of the base of the triangle is x and the length of the rectangle is x plus 1. The area of the triangle is 11 squared centimeters and the area of the rectangle is 39 squared centimeters. Part A. Write down an expression in terms of x for the height of the rectangle. Now this question carries only 1 mark. If you look at the 2 dimensions of the rectangle, and when you multiply those, you are going to get the area. So x plus 1 times h plus 2 will give you the area of the rectangle. Now to express the height of the rectangle in terms of x, divide both sides by x plus 1. So you have h plus 2 equal to 39 divided by x plus 1. So that's your answer. Alright, because the height of the rectangle is h plus 2, so you need to leave it in this format. Alternatively, you can also use the area of this triangle to express the height of the rectangle in terms of x. The formula half times base times height. In this case, base is x and height. That should give you the area, which is 11 squared centimeters. Multiply both sides by 2. You will have xh on the left hand side and 11 times 2 on the right hand side. And then divide both sides by x. So h equal to 22 divided by x. Now this is an expression for h, but the height of the rectangle is h plus 2. So, or you can write this answer 22 over x plus 2. So either one of these are correct. The reason why I have solved for both rectangle and triangle is because we will be using it in our part B. So it says show that 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0. Let us set up our equation like 22 over x plus 2 is equal to 39 over x plus 1. They must be equal because both of them are expressions for the height of the rectangle. Now on the left hand side you have 2 expressions. One is a fraction and the other one is a number. So a whole number has a denominator of 1 and the common denominator is x. So multiply 2 by x and 22 by 1. So we have 22 times 1 will give you 22 plus 2 times x will give you 2x. And then the common denominator is x, and that's equal to 39 over x plus 1. Now do the cross multiplication to eliminate the fractions. Okay, so we multiply 22 with x plus 1 and then plus 2x with x plus 1 and then 39 with x, that gives us 39x. Now let us expand the bracket. 22 times x is 22x plus 22 times 1 is 22 plus 2x square plus 2x is equal to 39x. Now as you know, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So let us try and write this expression, this entire thing, as the standard form of a quadratic equation. So let's bring this 2x square to the extreme left hand side, 2x square, and then let's put all the x terms in the middle, which is plus 22x. Then we have plus 2x. Then bring this 39x to the left hand side and change the sign. So that becomes minus 39x. And lastly, the constant term plus 22 is equal to 0. Now the last step is to tidy up. So we have 2x square, 22x plus 2x is 24x minus 39x. So 24x minus 39x will give you minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0. Okay, and that's how it is done. Part C. By factorizing and solving this equation, find two possible heights of the triangle. So let's first factorize this. To factorize, we use the product and sum rule. Those numbers are, you take the coefficient of x square and multiply with the constant term. So 2 times 22 is 44. And then the middle term, the coefficient of x, is the sum. So that is minus 15. Minus 4 times minus 11 will give you positive 44. And minus 4 plus minus 11 will give you minus 15. Let us factorize. So 2x square minus 4x minus 11x plus 22 is equal to 0. And then let's factorize them, linear factorization. 2x is the highest common factor, x minus 2 inside, minus 11 is the highest common factor, x minus 2 stays inside. And then if you look at the terms inside the bracket, they are the same. So we can write this as x minus 2 times the outer numbers, that is 2x minus 11 equal to 0. And as you know, when we multiply two expressions and the answer is 0, either one of them must be 0. So either x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 11 equal to 0. In this case, x equal to 2 or 2x equal to 11, and then x equal to 11 divided by 2. Using these two values of x, we need to find the two possible heights of the triangle. Let's go back to the question. This is what we need to find. X is the base, and then we already have found the base of the triangle. So let us use the formula for the area of a triangle. Over here, let me divide this. Area is given by half times base. So let's use 2 first. 2 times height. And the area is already given in the question, which is 11. Here we have 11 squared centimeter. And then 2 and 2 cancels each other. So height equal to 11. So one of the heights is 11 units. All right. For the next one, we'll do the same thing. Half times base is 11 over 2 times height equal to 11. When you multiply 11 times 1 is 11, 2 times 2 is 4 times height equal to 11. Divide both sides by 11 over 4, height equal to 11 divided by 11 over 4. And then the reciprocal gives us 11 times 4 over 11. 11 divided by 11 cancels each other. So the other height is 4. Thank you very much. The rest will come in the next video.